Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and this week I'm doing a week in my life travel edition. So I travel all the time, but this video is extra special because I am going to LA. I used to live in LA a year ago, and I absolutely loved it, and so I'm just so excited to go back and visit, and I just feel so myself there. So I'm so excited. When I think back on my time in LA, I'm like, what was I doing? Like, was I asleep? Like, I feel like I was missing out on so much opportunity by not filming and not going to these places. And obviously I have to like give myself grace, because when I was in school too, I just didn't have the mindsets that I do now, or the confidence, but now I do, even if sometimes I don't feel like it. But so I'm gonna do all the things that I didn't do while I was there. So I have this whole list. I'm so excited. It's gonna be such a fun trip. So some of the things on that list are, well, first off, I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed. That's one of the main reasons that I'm going, especially in this timing, because I have my kind of 1 year follow-up. I'll do a whole video on my microblading experience, but I got them microbladed while I was there for the first time, and then after about a year, you can go back and get a touch-up. Well, you can get touch-ups anytime, but I think to maintain them. So anyways, I'll do a whole video on that, so I don't want to bore anyone who doesn't care about microblading by talking about that. But basically, I'm going back to get them microbladed, and so the only appointment was on the day that I get there. That was the only time that I could get them done. So I kind of have some conflicting things, but I think it'll be okay. First priority, getting my eyebrows microbladed. Also, zoo culture. I wanted to go to zoo culture when I was in LA, and this is so embarrassing to say, but I drove by I think twice, and both times I just got too scared to even go in. But this time that's not gonna happen. I have to go to zoo culture. I also thought about going to John Reed. That gym looks so cool, but I don't know that I'll make it there on this trip. But zoo culture, I have to do. I have to. Microblading, zoo culture, and shopping. So I'm gonna go to Glossier, is that how you say it? Maybe not. I want to go to that store. I've been before when I lived there, and it's just such a unique experience. I also got an eyeshadow when I was there, and I absolutely love it. So I definitely want to check out the makeup. And then I love that Outdoor Voices store on Melrose. It's so big, and they have a huge sale rack, so I'm just really excited to go back to that store. And then otherwise, I think just exploring. Between my eyebrows and zoo culture and just LA in general and wanting to film and do stuff, I feel like my packing list is kind of unique. It's not things that I would normally bring on a trip. Right now I'm making my LA checklist, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make that, and then I'll come back and share what is on it. Okay, I just made my list, but the first thing is to get a zoo culture outfit, or just plan my zoo culture outfit. So I'll show you what I think I will probably wear, but I'm kind of not sure if it goes together. Okay, so one of the other things on my list is get a camera battery and SD card, because literally my camera's about to die right now. So this always happens. So I need to order that like right now. And then I need to get a gym bag to carry my camera and all my stuff, because that's how I would think you would like go around the gym. You want something small enough that you can like carry it around, so you can always have your camera in it. But I don't know, so I need to look for a gym bag ASAP. Shop for Nikes, get magic eraser, get camera battery and SD card, yes, get haircut, I just scheduled that. Get shampoo and conditioner, I just need that, and then get a microphone for the camera, because I would like to like go up to people and say like, what would you rate this gym? But I don't know if that will actually happen, because I just get shy. That's my list. So now I need to order all of this stuff. Hello, it's Tuesday and I leave for LA Thursday morning. So today's kind of my packing day, get everything situated, and then I have some errands that I need to run tomorrow. So right now it is Tuesday night and I am going to run in and do my Aerie returns, and I'm going to do an exchange too, and then I need to also go to Ulta and get shampoo and maybe conditioner. I don't know if they sell the brand. I wasn't as productive with packing today. So anyways, I wanted to go ahead and get this done today so that tomorrow I can just pack and do my work stuff and not have to worry about returns hanging over me. So anyways, I'm gonna go inside and get those things and I'll check in later. Okay, I went to Ulta. They don't sell the conditioner brand that I use. It's Mika. They don't sell it there, so I'll have to do without it. And then also they didn't have my shampoo, which they do sell there, but they were just out of it. Then I did my returns at Aerie. I kept a few things, so I'm gonna retry those on. I'm gonna go home and have dinner and pack. I'm probably gonna call it a night soon because it's getting kind of late, but I at least wanted to get my essential outfits picked out and packed. So I'll show you what I got. But the exercise dress, always a favorite. Just a workout outfit for a hotel. Off-Elite set for like a zoo closure or John Reed's, whichever one I go to. Haven't decided yet. This I can wear with either the skirt or the jeans. That outfit, this sweater was such a staple when I lived in LA. It's from Hollister, it's the best. This is like wide leg pants with an Emery Park shirt, super cute. So yes, happy to at least have those done.